Hello everyone, welcome to my channel AJ Digital World. Here I can suggest affiliate marketing, digital marketing tools, and also suggest the world's best websites to earn money online and the money making app also. I can share the world's best affiliate program that you can earn money online. So join link in description box. If you're interested, so please subscribe to my channel and stay with me. I hope you are enjoying the video and also implement this knowledge into your online journey. Today I suggest one of the best websites of technical skill where you pay your courses fees out to getting job. For whole information watch the video till the end, but very great for you. Grab the opportunities, subscribe to the channel. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, link in the description box. Please subscribe to my channel so I make more videos for you, and don't forget to click the bell icon. I also create a playlist of 10 earning sites and an online money making survey site. Thanks. Let's start the video.
What is Masai School? Masai School is the path to student success. Prepare work with our courses co-made by industry pioneers. Fabricate your range of abilities by chipping away at ventures intended to take care of genuine issues. If you visit the site link in the description box. Where is Masai School found? Masai School is situated in Bengaluru, India. Nonetheless, the entirety of our classes happens all together on the web. Understudies don't work out of our workplaces and can take classes from any place. Who is qualified to apply for the Masai School course? To be qualified for this program you should have a scholastic background. To be qualified for this program you probably cleared the 12th form under CBSE, ICSE or some other sheets received under the Indian training framework and should be over 18 years old. Our program is an extremely concentrated course, and requires your full-time responsibility for 30 weeks. Our lectures, practice meetings, mentoring, and conversation meetings run 5 days from 9 p.m. to 9 p.m., Monday to Saturday. Our program, timings are from 7 p.m. to 9:30 p.m., Monday to Friday, and 10 a.m. to 6 p.m., Saturday, and the length of the program is 30 weeks. An individual should be accessible to work after course, our program and I program. The destinations of this course are learning and placement. Consequently, you should be accessible to take employment following fulfillment of this course. Does Masai School assist me with finding a new line of work? Programming development is quite possibly the most popular and consistently developing a range of abilities needed across all areas and ventures. Our in-house situation group is devoted to your professional advancement, and keeping this in mind, works with probably the best tech organizations in India. We have more than 200 plus employing companies like Samsung, Instamojo, Paytm, Novota, MPL, ShareChat, Redbeat Sales, and so on. The Situation Group will assist you with setting up your resume, portfolio, assemble your computerized profile, practice meets, and even assist you in compensation exchange. Toward the day's end, however, you're the person who needs to apply, gives the meeting, and lands the position. How might I get affirmation in Masai School? Our selection process depends just on ability and inspiration, and not based on instructive degrees. 1. Create an account. 2. Complete Masai School evaluation test. 3. Complete the interview. 4. Finish the documentation. Masai School is the path to student success. Assemble industry relevant skill. Prepare work with our courses co-made by industry pioneers. Assemble your range of abilities by dealing with ventures intended to tackle genuine issues. Pay nothing until you are hired. You don't need to pay until you land work. Masai puts resources into its understudies and their future. That is the reason you're just approached to pay a level of your payments whenever you're recruited. Comprehensive development. Masai School is a remarkable coding bootcamp. Our center is to make understudies trained, persevering, and better software engineers, equipped for exploring the obscure and wanted by the best tech organizations. Pick your course. Least bundle of 5 LPA or above. Our program. Take in programming without any preparation and start your tech vocation. For beginners, full-time, 30 weeks. I program. Improve your programming aptitudes and land optimistic positions. Earlier coding abilities required, part-time, 30 weeks. You can likewise do different courses. 1. Full-stack web development. Learn fundamentals, front-end and back-end web improvement in only 30 weeks and prepare work. JavaScript. Respond. HTML. Express. CSS. Revival. Hub. MongoDB. 2. Full-stack Android development. Learn Android development, beginning with building your own applications to landing them on the Play Store in only 30 weeks. Java. Kotlin. Android. Gradle. Engineering. Spring Boot. SQL. DS and Algo. Presenting Glide program. Living allowance for students. We are pleased to report our most recent expansion to our full-time programs, the Glide program, where we will give a living remittance of Rs. 15,000 per month to the top-performing understudies for the whole span of their 30-week course. How does that SKIM program work? We intently screen the exhibition of every one of our understudies in Unit 1, or their first month at Masai School, and will assess them on a blend of components, for example. 1. Order, attendance. 2. Execution in tasks. 3. Scores in appraisals. 4. Collaboration. In view of the general exhibitions, we will pick the top-performing understudies who will be qualified for the living recompense of Rs. 15,000 every month, which will be later added for in their ISA. I hope you all are doing well. Subscribe to my channel for more videos. Share this video with all your friends, relatives and other people who have learned technical skill and get job. Leave a comment. Good luck.